This video is brought to you by the makers of SensiLip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.
Hi everybody, I'm Jim. Welcome back to Big Review. Today we're going to be having a close look at the Woltu armchair which I purchased on Amazon. In fact, I purchased 3 of them and I'm very happy with the product. First of all, they come in very well packaged in a double corrugated cardboard box. No problems, no damage. Let's have a look and see what you get inside the box. So, usual packaging stuff. These are the legs. They come with 5 screws and also some Allen keys, so you don't actually need any tools whatsoever to assemble this apart from a pair of scissors to cut off the packaging. So the next piece is the seat itself, which is nothing short of beautiful. This is in a white velvet velour. I think the inside's probably precast, or the seat base is precast polystyrene, and it's on a metal frame inside and very well padded. It's firm to sit on, but it's very comfortable. This is what it's like. Take a closer look. It's a beautiful velour, and as I say, assembling it is very, very easy. What I'm going to do is come back in a few moments, so don't switch off, and we'll see how long it takes to put together. My guess is about 2 minutes. See you in a moment. So there we have it. I was wrong. It's taken me 3 minutes and 20 seconds to assemble this chair. All you've got, 5 screws, a set of instructions, which I always recommend reading the instructions, but there's virtually nothing on it. You need a pair of scissors to cut the packaging off, and you actually get the Allen key with the components of the chair. Just one small point, these actually have little rubber studs in the bottom of the feet, which you can adjust inwards or outwards, which you can make the chair level on an uneven surface. This is a great chair, I thoroughly recommend it. It's the Woltu, purchased on Amazon. Very, very strong, very rugged. And this material, on one of my other chairs, this white velour, I spilt coffee on it. And I got some warm soapy water, I wiped it all off, dried it down with a tea towel, and it's absolutely fantastic. Not this particular one, because I've just put it together, but my other one downstairs, it looks as good as new. And this is very hard wearing as well. Anyway, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see or hear any more videos from Big Review, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks very much. See you again soon.
Thank you for watching. This video was brought to you by the makers of SensiLip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.